Want to know how to unlock hidden potential orbs fast in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, you need to know that hidden potential orbs are simply the key for unlocking maximum stats, but they're limited. So hidden potential orbs, you need to farm events that drop specific herbs your heroes need instead of random stages. Use stamina wisely. Prioritize stages with the highest herb per stamina ratio. So make sure you merge duplicates strategically and unlock nodes in a way that maximizes stats for your main team. So smart farming will always make your unit stronger without wasting time or resources. And that's it. This is how you easily unlock hidden potential orbs fast in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in videos for more of these videos. See you in the next one.